Hi, welcome to my new invention. This is based on the frequency specific microcurrent therapy. Now, here I don't call a microcurrent therapy because we are not giving any microcurrents here. It's maybe even picocurrent, even less than that. We are using the headphone as the applicator. We are using the headphone as applicator. This idea it came to me by going through many devices in the market, and they are producing the frequency machine along with some magnetic coil. We have a similar setup in our headphone, and I just made an experimental app based on the similar principle. I gave it to my few friends who are critically ill as far these functions are concerned. So their feedback was really encouraging. So I said, why not to give it to the not suffering people? Even I don't say that it will definitely. They have given me feedback. I have whatever I am telling is their feedback. So definitely you can use this and take benefit of this harmless, or you can say placebo type of treatment, or you can say positive affirmations like things, maybe psychological effect. You can say anything, but effect people are having it. You can also try and see the uh, results. And each thing is how to use this app. Now there are see here there are some there is no much medical terms here, because infection, if you can just have a Google meaning of those things, and the different parts of the body here. Now let us take one example, that say we have a knee joint pain. Knee joint pain, see, first you have to see what all there in the knees, what all the parts are there in the knees. So see, there are cartilages and ligaments and connective tissue, and joint capsule and other thing, and there is a muscles are involved, and even bone is there, and bone is very important, bone is there, and nerves are there. So you can use the infection on the one from the top section, another from the bottom section. Here generally in frequency specific picocurrent therapy, we there are generally two channels. One channel is the condition, another channel is the target. So here, what condition we use when we click a short touch will start that function, and long press will make it off. That is the function here. So now you see what you suspect. There is no any if it is not, then it will only help to make it. If suppose there is no joint infection, no bone infection, it will not affect anything. If it is there, it will help, otherwise it will make it perfect. Like, let me start infection, and see, when you do like this, you can observe in your headphone, one side of the channel will start. So now I want to infection and the bone infection. So bone, when you're touching bone has started. So it works on the infection bone, on giving message to the, which is all information message. So it is giving the suggestion by means of frequency. Same make it vitalize bone, like that, vitalize connectivity, and vitalize vitalize ligament, like that. You can use it and apply those headphone directly to the knee joint by the covering the problematic area should come in between those headphones, like that you can use it. And the after that what you have to do, see, many things are there here. Hardening is there, hardening of things. If it is stiffness is there, stiffness in the joint, that time what you have to do, use your hardening, and they are seen by the feedback of the people, and they are getting good result. And here, and the scarring is there. Scarring is, so after some injury, after some injury to bone, and now it generally forms a spur like this. So there also you can use this scarring bone, scarring ligament, like that you can use scarring. And you see bleeding is also there. Bleeding is means, you see sometime when you have a tendency of bleeding, or you can say some blue things will happen, blue color discoloration in the joint or some places. That means it is there is some bleeding over there. So you can use bleeding, and arteries and even veins. So here it covers more blood vessels. And now here again this one. Now next is the secretion. Secretion means it will make those thing perfect. Once secretion means that whatever the secretion means can say white lightning, or you can say making whatever supply required to the bone, that should get perfect, so that it will become perfect. So secretions are like that. And in paralysis is not actually the meaning. Paralysis is nothing meaning that actual paralysis. This is the not able to perform the function is paralysis. So you can say, you can use paralysis sympathetic nervous system, like that. Also you can have added few things for anterior pituitary, for even calcium metabolism and other thing. You can system and as I say, we have another wonderful system here for energy center. Energy center, you see, I have used a balance and the energy center. This was one of our because every part carries its own emotional system. Suppose so we can use emotion of the nerve system anywhere from the, generally it is used for more of the organs. Here we should know what this bone is controlled by the kidney meridian. So we can say bone and kidney meridian governs the fear aspect of the emotion. So you can say emotions and bone also makes the fear go away. So like that, nervous system and circulatory system. So in that way, here we can use the emotions that way. And if anything is of the long standing nature like chronic inflammation, that time you have to use this chronic inflammation. And joint pain and other things, they are both nature. They are in acute or the chronic, like that. So we can use both chronic inflammation, chronic joint pain, chronic bone problem, like that it can be. So this is a wonderful thing. You can use it, and after all everything, you can use most important frequencies are here: the infection, uh, hardening and paralysis, and the secretions torn and broken. Very nicely it can be used for all the trauma and traumatic condition and all. So all the best, and give the feedback into the comment section so that I can improvise on my thing. um, if any doubt, you can call me on this on my WhatsApp, or you can say my number for any of the queries. It is just for experimental purpose. I don't claim anything. It is not to replace a medical expert advice. It is only to you know see whether the frequencies help you or not. There's nothing, it can't replace a qualified doctor. Thank you. Just try it. If it is useful, just share it in your comment below.